guys, good morning. Uy, it's almost afternoon. We're having breakfast. No, brunch. Breakfast, lunch. Hi Frank, good morning.
Good morning.
He's having bread and egg. Paborito niya guys. And me, rice. Rice is life. And here's Francine. Hello, good morning. Good morning. She's playing this one. Okay. Lalabas kami guys before dadating yung kids kasi snowing na naman outside, pero we gonna go for some shopping para sa pagkain guys. Wala na kaming pagkain, itlog na lang. Sayang. Careful.
Yeah? Come on.
You like that?
They're yummy?
Yeah. Rice yummy. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, talking all day, but saying nothing. Such a smile, yeah? Such a cute smile. Can you get me that? And she wants to bring it back. Yeah. Is that shouting for happiness or is that shouting because of afraid?
Hello guys, nasa labas na kami. Oh, snowy talaga, uy. Lalabas lang kami para bumili ng groceries and some stuff for Francine. Very snowy. Okay. Nagtapon ng basura si Frank, uy. It's full!
All of them.
I was thinking it's only on this one.
Baby, we have got 4 bits.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, dear. No.
I think I just emptied them.
Okay.
And now here to the yellow one.
The yellow one is also...
How many do we have? 3.
Okay.
Of course, this one is full.
Okay. That one is also?
No, it's not. And the one in the back is for sure empty too.
So that's for
There's
plastic
nothing in
too?
there. Yeah, that's all plastic.
Okay.
All 3 of them.
Okay. Snowflakes, snowflakes, little snowflakes falling on my nose.
That's Asis.
Asis, hello! My neighbor. Nagwala ako dito.
So come on, you're going to take that? Or you going to take the killer one?
Oh, I'd say. You
I
take.
take all.
Yeah, thank you, baby. Snowy, uy. Snowflakes, snowflakes. Uy, ang here. Lo, grabe ang ice. Uy.
The kids will go out on the,
Yeah, they can go out
on
before.
the sleigh later.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh my God. Can you, Francine?
Yes.
So, papunta na kami sa shopping center. It's wrong. Okay. Hindi na ako marunong na saan kami nakatira. Missing.
Glass in here.
Okay.
Divided by color
Okay. Okay.
for recycling. Oh, scheiße.
It's full? Green. You're not following the
Don't follow me.
green.
Wrong. Jesus Christ.
That's, it's not green?
That's white.
Okay. God, ang
And
lamig.
it's full.
My hands is freezing. Okay, where is that?
That's a shout out to Dave. Thank you for the beer.
Yeah, brown.
Go
Yeah.
recycle in Germany.
Okay. American beer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, careful. Very snowy. Let's go out. I go in this way. Bye bye. It's just white. Walking in the snow. Last time, a zig-a-ding-a-dang. Snowflakes, snowflakes, little snowflakes. Pass here with all the caca from dogs here. Grabe ang lamig. But it is better than the rain. Okay. Hello guys, nakauwi na kami. Nandun si Frank sa aming bedroom. Pinapadede si Francine. Nagpuput-away lang ako sa mga napamili namin guys. Kasi darating na yung mga bata in 30 minutes. Nandito pala yung anak ni Frank at tsaka uuwi yung kasama ni Ella. Same school sila ni Ella. Yun. I got this for Francine. She loves this one. It's a fruit bar. She loves this and I got this too. Bumibili ako na ito. Minimix ko sa kanyang pagkain guys kasi hindi siya kumakain ng ano. Hindi kasi ang hirap pakainin ni Francine. I got a pop. A toast and eggs. Manok, chicken guys. I-bake ko siya mamaya sa oven. At ipapartner ko sa steamed broccoli. Paborito nila. An oil. Coke. Because Coke is life. Ano ngayon sa Aldi guys? Puro mayroon silang mga American products. And I found a cranberry fruit drink. Hindi ko sure kung masarap sa kanila kasi 1 euro lang siya. Tapos sa ibang shop is costs 2 euro something this one. Pero hindi American brand. So I wanna try this kasi maganda to sa winter time. Nung buntis ako, lagi ako umiinom niyan guys kasi pag buntis ka, prone ka sa UTI. Got here 4 liters of milk. Kasi si Frank guys, mahilig sa coffee. Tsaka yung 2 liters pag nasa office niya, pag nasa computer siya sa office niya, ubos lahat 2 liters. I love this chocolate. I love this from Penny. Alpine Full Milk. Gusto ko to yung chocolate sa Penny. At saka beef for soup. And there's sugar here. Looks like this. So, ayun lang. So, ito. Phone sa living room to kasi pag nagmo-movie date kami dalawa. Inaano namin to. Kinikilled. Bumili ako ng popcorn. American popcorn din siya para sa mga bata. For them. Kasi, para kung meron silang kinakain pag mobile. Supportive. Hindi guys. Kasi lagi siyang humihingi ng popcorn. And I found this one in Aldi for 1 euro something. At saka ganito na siya. American brand popcorn. So that's it guys. Antayin ko na lang mga bata. Mamaya pa kung dinner magluluto, i-separate ko lang yung chicken at saka. take a photo of you. Two of you. Snowy. Oh my God, very snowy. Nilabas ko ang dalawa guys. Kakarating na nila sa bahay. Nilabas ko sila. Hi, Ella. Hi! Snowy yan. Vanessa is there. Uuwi yan ngayon. Ang anak ni Frank, uuwi yan ngayon. Nilabas ko sila kasi gusto nilang maglaro sa snow. Look at that. And Frank and Francine is at home kasi ang lamig guys. Ang lamig. Hello. Yun ang dalawa. Oh my God. Andito kami yung shortcut namin to guys pag hinahatid ko sa Ella sa school kasi doon lang ang school. Doon. Yun sa Ella. Yun. Very snowy. My God. Oh my God. Come on. Not so fun, huh? Not on me. Not so.
Okay, stop.
Here, Ella. Wait. Take a photo. Go, where that? 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Bye, Frank.
Bye. What is he doing?
Yeah, what are you doing there?
You have to get closer then.
Hello guys! So, ayun lang for today guys. Nag-snow. Lumabas kami.
We make sofa.
You made sofa?
Yeah.
Na gumawa daw sa ng sofa doon sa snow pero hindi na ako nag-stay doon sa labas ng matagal kasi nga ang lamig. So, ayun na, matutulog na kami guys. Si Ella, magbabrush na ng teeth at ay lilinisan ko na din si Francine for sleeping. No, I mean, Ella and Francine will go to bed soon. And me, Francine there is playing. So, thank you all for watching and hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye and have a good night, everybody.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Bye.